I am Mr. Gant, Project Management. Lesson number 28, Time Periods, in P6. Objective: students will learn how the time period works and know the related issues when used in the schedule. Time periods, in P6. Users usually work on days, which is normally displayed on the schedule. Primavera, project planner, works or records duration in hours. Therefore, it is necessary to inform Primavera P6 how many hours he should consider that he has a day by using the time periods. In P6, there are two methods to consider. First is individually, for each calendar. This can be found in the Enterprise menu. Choose Calendars, select a calendar, then Modify. The other method is globally, for all calendars. This can be found in the Admin menu. Choose Admin Preferences and select the Time Periods tab. How do we fill up the time period forms? When it comes to scheduling, we need the length of a day to be consistent. The same goes for a week, a month, and even a year. Setting the number of hours for each time period. For example, assume to have 8 hours in the standard working day and 6 days in a week. Using the procedure gives us hours per day is set to 8 hours. Hours per week is set to 48 hours, which is the result of multiplying the 6 days in a week by the 8 hours per day. Hours per month is set to 208 hours, which is the result of multiplying the 8 hours per day by the 26 days for a 6-day working week. Hours per year is set to 2,496 hours, which is the result of multiplying 48 hours per week by 52 weeks in a year. Global time periods, issues. Global setup has some issues to be aware. If the project has more than one calendar, and the standard work hours of these calendars is different from the durations of the activities in days. Be sure the box, Use Assigned Calendar, to specify the number of work hours for each time period, is checked. If checked, the time periods on each calendar will be available or not grayed out. Unchecking the Use Assigned Calendar to specify the number of work hours for each time period checkbox disables individual calendar settings, as you see is grayed out. Make sure work week and time period matched. If not, activity durations in days, weeks, months, and years will calculate incorrectly. For example, we have a 6 days per week schedule with a standard work hours of 8 hours per day and a correct time period. What will happen if work hours per day in the time periods of a calendar have been changed from 8 to 16, but the standard work hours remains at 8 hours per day? The duration of the activity in the schedule will be half. Let's have a look how it works in P6. We have here a 5-day workweek schedule. Let's go to Enterprise menu, then Calendars. Select a calendar and choose Modify. Work week, all are 8 hours per day. Click Time Periods. Change hours per day to 16 hours. Click OK. As you can see, all durations change to half. Let's bring it back to 8 hours per day. Click OK. This concludes our lesson. Thank you very much.